You gotta be down, Olivia.
You gotta talk louder. I can't hear you.
Hi, I'm Phineas. I am Bird. Hi, I'm Daisy. Hi, I'm Lady Daisy. Who are you? Who are you? What a lovely looking audience. What a lovely looking audience. Ow, Betty, ow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then read. Hey, where's Perry?
Where's Perry?
No. Oh, hi, Jenna. Oh, where's Perry?
There's Perry.
Sit down, Jenna. Oh, this is Perry.
You know, ride the bicycle. Muppet Show.
Oh, look.
Look at lovely looking Auntie. Oh, that's me. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Like Harry? What are you, a secret agent? Harry. What are you, a secret agent? Oh, who's that? Who's this? Look. What a lovely looking audience. No, this is it's somebody with
Let me see your puppet. Let me see. Jenna, what's your puppet's name?
Who is that?
What's your puppet's name?
Wow, you don't know anything about
Amy?
Wow, you don't know
Amy's a what?
anything about your friend. Wow, that's
What is Amy? She's mean? Oh. Is she a princess?
Where's Perry?
Where's the princess? Let me see.
Where's Perry? Again. He's probably out doing secret agent work. Where's Perry? Wow. You don't know anything about your friends. Wow, that's cool. I can't believe you don't even know about your friends. Oh, you don't talk, Herb. Wow, baby made pee-pee. Baby don't like you, baby say.
This is like Punch and Judy.
Huh?